In this video, we will give you a more in-depth look at how to view and export spreader material usage reports and data on the 6100. To access the data menu, make sure to put the system into standby mode by pressing the green knob on the operator interface. Scroll to the Menu Soft Key pane and press the Data Soft key. From there, you can use the navigation up and down controls to select a report. Press the navigation stick to view each of these reports and press again to exit. In the Current Totals menu, it will contain totals for all of the material options that have been used since the totals were last cleared. Current totals record route data and are typically reset at the end of a storm or new route. Clearing totals can be done by using the navigation stick by highlighting the Clear Current Totals option within the menu. Depending on how the truck is configured, you may or may not be prompted to enter a password to clear the totals. If so, please enter the password using the navigation stick. In the Season Totals menu, it will contain all of the options available for the recorded data totals since its initial setup or last clear date. Season totals are often used to record data over a long period of time and are rarely reset. Clearing totals can be done by using the navigation joystick by highlighting the Clear Season Totals option within the menu. This function will always require a password or the use of a supervisor key to clear. Please note that clearing season totals does not affect current totals. There are two report styles listed for the season and current totals, summary and detailed. The summary report provides quick access to the amount of materials applied by volume, distance, and time, including blast time, manual mode, and open and closed loop mode times. The detailed reports provide all of the information that summary reports include, as well as data on what materials were spread simultaneously. For example, the detailed report will include separate volumes, distances, and times when granular salt was applied with pre-wet brine. Also, located within the data menu is the error log. The error log can be useful if the system reports an error. In this menu, it will give you the error verbiage used along with date and timestamps, which can be relayed to your fleet mechanic team if need be. Just like the current and season totals, you are able to clear these by using the navigation stick and entering a password. Within each of these reports, you will see you can export these reports. You may insert a USB flash drive into either USB port, located on the bottom of the screen. By doing so, the grayed out export function will turn blue after a USB flash drive has been inserted. Exporting will prompt you to name the file and will transfer a text file onto the flash drive. You will know when the export has been successful when you receive this notice on screen. To summarize, the data menu is where you can find and export current and season totals, including summary and detailed material usage reports, as well as review the error log to show operation errors.